care about safety on the roads and snowplow drivers and law enforcement officers having a say in their workplace. They're not going to be able to do that anymore. People don't want high-quality schools like we've had in Wisconsin. We're not going to be able to attract those high-quality teachers anymore. They're going to leave this state, and young people are not going to want to go into public service.
Why would the Republicans pass something so atrocious?
Well, it's very clear. Senator Fitzgerald let it slip, and as did Governor Walker in his call when he thought he was talking to David Koch, the GOP billionaire, that this really has nothing to do with the state budget. That was all just a red herring to try to force through this radical change. The point is that in an era where politics are dominated by corporate special interests and unlimited money from mega businesses that totally control the political process, one of the very few organized forces that stands up to the middle class and working class are unions. And not surprisingly, given what we've seen in the past couple of weeks, that support tends to go to Democrats, because Democrats are the party that stands with workers. Republicans